today's data-driven world, data is not just information, it is a company's most valuable asset. As a professional freelance data analyst, my first responsibility is data security and client trust. This video explains how I securely analyze company projects, the security protocols I follow, and why NDA and data protection are my first priority before touching any client data. Why data security matters for freelancers. Unlike in-house employees, freelancers work remotely. This increases the responsibility to follow enterprise-grade security standards. One data leak can destroy a company's reputation and a freelancer's career. That is why I follow industry-standard security protocols, the same ones used by large organizations. Step 1. NDA and legal protection before data access. Before starting any project, I ensure a non-disclosure agreement, NDA, is signed. The NDA clearly defines data ownership, confidentiality rules, usage limitations, data retention policy. This protects both the client and myself legally and professionally. Step 2. Controlled data access only. I never request full system access unless absolutely necessary. I follow the principle of least privilege. I only access the data required for the specific task. No unnecessary permissions. No shared credentials. Step 3. Secure data transfer protocols. All data transfers are done using secure methods. Encrypted cloud storage, secure FTP, SFTP, client-approved platforms only. I never accept data through unsecured emails or public links. Step 4. Data encryption standards. Client data is always protected using encryption. Data at rest encryption, data in transit encryption. Even if data is intercepted, it remains unreadable and protected. Step 5. Secure working environment. I work in a controlled environment. Password-protected systems. Updated operating systems. Licensed software only. No public Wi-Fi usage. Client data is never stored on shared or public devices. Step 6. Access control and authentication. I use strong passwords, two-factor authentication, role-based access control. This ensures only authorized access to client data and systems. Step 7. No data duplication policy. I do not create unnecessary copies of client data. Temporary files are deleted after use. No screenshots, no exports, no offline storage without approval. Step 8. Compliance with industry standards. I align my work with globally accepted security standards. ISO 27001 principles, GDPR data protection guidelines, SOC 2 security practices. These are the same standards followed by professional enterprises. Step 9. Secure analysis and reporting. All analysis is performed inside client-approved tools using secured BI platforms. Without exposing raw sensitive data, only required insights are shared, not raw confidential datasets. Step 10. Data deletion after project completion. Once the project is completed, all client data is securely deleted. Access permissions are revoked. Written confirmation can be provided. No client data is retained beyond the project timeline. Why this approach builds client trust. Clients don't just hire skills, they hire responsibility, ethics, and reliability. By following strict security protocols, I ensure zero data leakage, full confidentiality, long-term professional trust. For me, data security is not optional. It is my first priority. Before analysis, before dashboards, before insights, client data protection always comes first. If you are a company looking for a freelance data analyst who values security, NDA, and trust, this is exactly how I work.